Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to break down the entire process of creating this complex fight scene on a moving train in a simple and easy to follow way. I started by setting up the environment for the scene, carefully choosing a location that would complement the overall mood and action. The train and railway track were then placed within the environment to create a realistic and visually engaging setting. With the foundation in place, I moved on to animating the entire sequence in iClone 8, where the camera movements and character performances were developed. To animate the train's movement, I first created a null object and linked the entire train to it. This allowed me to control the train's motion smoothly using keyframe animation while keeping all the attached elements synchronized. For the fight sequence, I selected multiple motion clips that matched the choreography I wanted to achieve. Each motion was carefully applied, trimmed, and blended one by one to ensure smooth transitions between actions. The motion clips were then assigned to the respective characters, and I fine-tuned their timing and positioning so that every punch, kick, and reaction aligned naturally, creating a seamless and believable fight sequence. To enhance the atmosphere of the scene, I used the dramatic cloud environment available in the iClone content library. This preset automatically provides a realistic sky, lighting, and environmental setup, helping to establish a cinematic mood without requiring extensive manual adjustments. Once the animation and environment were finalized, I rendered the entire sequence as a PNG image sequence to preserve maximum image quality and support seamless post-production. The project was rendered at a full HD resolution of 1920x1080 with a frame rate of 25 frames per second, ensuring smooth motion and professional output. Rendering as a PNG sequence also provided greater flexibility during compositing in Adobe After Effects. After rendering, I imported the PNG sequence into Adobe After Effects for compositing and final visual enhancements. I created an adjustment layer and applied several color correction effects, including curves and tint, to transform the scene into a darker, more dramatic environment that matched the mood of the fight sequence. To further enhance the atmosphere, I added the CC rain effect, creating realistic rainfall that increased the sense of tension and realism. These post-production effects helped unify the lighting, improve the cinematic look, and make the entire sequence feel more immersive. The final compositing stage brought together all the animation, lighting, and visual effects into a polished cinematic shot, ready for the final render.